Hey fam, and welcome to another video. My name is Holly, and today I wanted to talk about my Amazon favorites from 2020. These are things that I have bought over all of last year and I have used a ton. I love them. I would recommend them to my own family, and so I'm also recommending them to you. I have 4 categories for you guys. The first is food and kitchen items. The second is toddler things and a little bit babies. And the third is cleaning supplies, which I know isn't super exciting, but believe me, it makes your life so much easier. And the fourth are things for me or things that I've really loved having. All right, so from this first category, it's kitchen items, things that you eat, things like that. And the very first thing I wanted to talk about is this UGG glove. So this is awesome. My husband raves about it to everybody. We've given it as Christmas gifts, and it basically is just a replacement for a pot holder, but you can stick your hand in here and literally works wonders when like grabbing everything out of the oven. You never get burned. It's really grippy, and so you never lose anything. It's just seriously is awesome. We only have one, and I am planning to get my husband a second one at some point for like a, I don't know, birthday present or anniversary gift or something. He seriously loves these so much. My family loves them too. So I highly recommend these. The second thing on my list are Hu chocolate bars. I don't know if I'm saying it right, H-U, Hu. Anyway, I love these. They're vegan chocolate bars, so they're healthy. It's dark chocolate, and whenever you're like have a sweet tooth, you want something late at night or something like that, these are delicious. And I love them, and it's something that gets me through the night or wanting, you know, another little treat, and they're really great. So I highly recommend these. The second bar that I love are these chia seed bars. They're by Health Warrior, and I love them for my toddler especially. I feel like they only have 3 grams of sugar, and they're chewy, so my toddler can chew on them, but they don't like get everywhere. There's like some granola bars where they just like fall apart and they get crumbs all over the place. These are like a little bit sticky, but my son loves them, and they don't have a ton of sugar, and I like to eat them too, and I really like that they're chia seed based. It just gives a different texture, and I really like these. Okay, next are this, let's see, Amazing Grass Green Superfood. These are like super greens, and I like to drink this with, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Metamucil. That is also something I probably could have put on my Amazon thing, but I usually get it at Costco. So if you guys want like a Costco haul, I could totally do a Costco haul. Anyways, so I add this with Metamucil in the mornings or like afternoons, and I love it. I also do it in the like evening before dinner, like after lunch before dinner, because Metamucil is like fiber, so it keeps you full, so it makes me like want to snack less. Anyway, but also having greens in your diet is so important, and it's hard to get like all the greens in, especially when, you know, you're busy, you're working, you're doing all those types of things. So highly recommend these. I've tried like other brands, and they don't taste good. This one, I mean, it doesn't taste great because it's literally just greens, but it tastes a lot better, and it has like a little bit of a sweeter taste than some of the other brands that I've tried in the past. So recommend those. Okay, this is something for my nursing mamas out there. It's called Sunflower Lecithin. I don't know if I'm saying that right either, but I love this stuff for like nursing. It really helps make the milk. If you've ever heard of like hind milk and fore milk, it kind of like mixes the two. So it like mixes the fat within your breast milk. Anyway, so I highly recommend this stuff. It's really great for any nursing mama out there. And then my last thing on the kitchen food list are the liquid IV hydration. So you put these in your water, and I love it. I think it's a great like little treat when like you're tired of drinking so much water. I drink tons of water because I'm nursing, and it just is extra hydrating, and it tastes good. I have only ever tried the lemon lime flavor, so I can't tell you about the other flavors, but this flavor is great. I really like it, and my sisters really like it. I've got them hooked on it, and it just really helps you drink more water, you know, when your water tastes good. So this I can get on Amazon. I also get it at Costco, depending on which one's cheaper. It's a great buy. Okay, on to the second category. So the second category are toddler things, and the very first thing are these baby pajamas. So I love these. They're from like Valiant Baby. I'll link it below. I'll link everything down below just so you know, in case you want to buy anything on Amazon. But I love these. They're super soft, and my son loves them. They have super cute colors. I really like muted, neutral colors, and so I really like this like teal color. There's like a green, there's a cream color, and there's obviously like tons of other colors too, but I really like those colors, and they hold up really well. They look really nice. My husband calls them my son's fancy pajamas because he just like looks fancy and like, you know, stylish in them. So love these. Next up are toys. This is they're wooden set of cars, and like this is a plane, but things that go, I guess. And my son loves these. He's in love with cars right now. It's like the one thing he plays with. This has been great. Anytime we go on an airplane, he takes this with him, and he's so excited. He flies this around, and this is a dump truck. He loves dump trucks. And there's a few other cars that come in the set as well, and they've held up really well. They're wooden, which I love. It goes along with my Montessori principles, which is just, you know, toys that are gonna last you a long time, things that like don't make a ton of noise, but they just like look nice too. I really enjoy these. The second toy that I wanted to share, I actually don't have right now. It's in my son's room and he's taking a nap, and I'm not about to go in there and try to wake him up. But it is, I'll link it down below, and I'll also insert a video or a picture of it. But it is 3 cylinders, and it's like a block, and you're able to match colors. You're able to stack it. My son loved it when he was about like, I don't know, like 18 months on. He super loved this toy. The last toy I wanted to talk about is the My First Words cards. So these have like tons of different like pictures on them. My son loves the car, he loves the airplane, he loves the dog, and you just like can find different things on here, and it's a great car toy. So we play with this all the time in the car or at church when we just like, he can't really move a lot and he's sitting more quietly, and a great like learning tool for him. So that's been really fun. And then the very last thing on my toddler list is my little partner's learning tower. So if you don't know what a learning tower is, I will again insert a video or a picture of my son using the learning tower. But it is a thing that goes in your kitchen that makes your toddler taller so he can reach the counter, and he can help with different things like mixing the food you're making, or helping you with the dishes, literally whatever it is on the counter. Like, he likes to be up there with me, and so this has been so helpful. It's my like #1 Montessori item that I have in my life, and I love it. My son loves it. We've like been using it ever since he was like, he could walk. So I don't know, probably like 13, 14 months, and he can crawl up there all on his own, and he has it's brought so much freedom to him. He loves it. So I highly recommend one of those. And I just got mine on Amazon, and I really like the version I got. Mine is definitely smaller because I have like a smaller kitchen. But anyway, I really love the one that I got, and so I will link it down below for you guys if you want to pick it up for one of your little kiddos as well. All right, so the third category I have for you are cleaning supplies. I only have 2 in here, but the first one is this Clorox, what is it? Just like automatic toilet cleaner. You guys, okay, this is great because who has time to clean your toilets all the time? I sure don't. So I love this. So you put this in like the top like bin of your toilet. I don't like the thing that like is holding all the water, and you like let it sit there, and it turns the water like bleachy, so it adds bleach to it. And so every time you flush, it's like you're like bleaching your toilet. And I love this because it lasts like a few months. I don't have to worry about it, and my toilets always look nice. Anyway, it's a great like lifesaver, time hack, things like that. Gotta love that. My second thing in the cleaning business is this Puracy Natural Stain Remover. So this is awesome. I don't know why, but I didn't use stain remover for the longest time. I just like would wash my clothes, and if it got on stain on it, it'd be like, oh, too bad. But I've started to like invest more in my clothing, and so I have really tried a ton of different stain removers, really, and I really love this one. This one's like an all natural stain remover, which I really like, and it gets out everything from like grease to grass stains to like poop, because I got kids, you know, it gets everywhere. Anyway, and I really like this stuff. So I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a new stain remover, try this one out. It's been awesome for us. Okay, so my fourth and last category are items that are for me that I use. And the very first thing I wanted to talk about is the Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant. You guys, this stuff is awesome. So it is like a liquid exfoliant. It has 2% BHA, like celiac acid. So when you put it on your face, it exfoliates it, but it keeps it feeling like super like silky soft. And I've really noticed a difference in my skin. I have never had like great skin by any means, but I really like this stuff. I recommended this to my sisters as well. One of my sisters loves it, like, and she already bought like a big bottle of it and uses it all the time. It's something that I use more at night because it kind of leaves like a little bit of an oily residue on your skin, and I have pretty oily skin. So maybe that's why, like if you have drier skin, it wouldn't at all. So I use it more at night than I do during the day, but if I am not putting on a lot of makeup this like in the day, I'll use it in the morning as well. So I highly recommend this. I think it's like been awesome for my skin, and I've really loved it. The second like, I guess like skin product, I guess, that I really have enjoyed is the Laneige lip sleeping mask cake. I know I see this like all over YouTube. So it really keeps your lips like super soft, super smooth all night long. And I'm like up a couple times, I feel like, with the baby and everything like that. And sometimes my lips will get super dry as I'm nursing too. I just get dry. And these, like, I never have to reapply this at night. It stays on all night long, and my lips always feel smooth. I love the smell of it. And it's gonna last forever. You seriously just need a tiny amount, and so anyway, this is probably gonna last me years. I don't know if it expires, but if it does, it'll probably expire before I even get to use it all, and I use it every day. So love this stuff. Totally worth the $20. Okay, let's see. Next on my list is these slides. Okay, they're kind of gross, so don't look at them too closely, but I love these. So they're all plastic, and they are great for like the beach, literally just slipping them on. I got them when I was pregnant because I did not like bending down and like putting on sandals. So they're so easy to just slip on really fast, like walk anywhere. They're really comfortable. I wear them to the pool. I wear them out and about, really. I just wear them all the time. So I think they're by like Funky Monkey, but I will again link it down below, as with everything else. And if you like this video so far, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I have loved getting like this community together. And if you like these products, please let your friends and family know about this video and my other videos on my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And so the very next thing, let's see, I have 3 more things, are these resistance bands. So this comes in a pack of 3. This one is the medium one, but they have a light and a heavy. The light I feel like is pretty light, and the heavy is like extremely heavy. Like it is like a workout. So if you got some like strong legs, the heavy is for you. Don't worry, like this pack has got you covered. So this pack is like been awesome for me, and these I think are gonna last you forever. I've had them for a year, and I already I love them, and they look brand new basically too. So those are great. Okay, so the second to last thing is this maternity swimsuit, and I love this thing because it fit me in my last 2 months of pregnancy. Okay, you guys, I get really big, really big at the end of my pregnancies. I'm like everybody does, but not a lot fits me. And this maternity swimsuit I thought was so cute. And it like actually fit me really well. I highly recommend to anybody who's looking for just a cheap maternity swimsuit. Because you're not gonna wear it a ton. And I mean, I only wore it probably a few times my last like couple months of pregnancy, but you need something to look cute, because you hardly ever feel cute when you're super pregnant. So I really liked that swimsuit. And then lastly was just this Adidas beanie. I actually got this for my husband and he loves it, but I also love it. You guys, it's so cute. And it's like, I love that it's unisex. My husband or I can wear it. It's super thick, super comfortable, and I just highly recommend it. So I really love this. I think it's cool. I hope you like all the other things that I talked about during this video. And if you have any awesome Amazon products, I would love to hear them. I'm always looking for new products because you guys, I am an Amazon shopaholic. I don't know about you, but I just like scroll through Amazon like I scroll through Instagram. And it probably isn't great, but I mean, I found some pretty great things. I feel like things that have made my life easier, and hopefully they can make your life easier as you, I don't know, pick some of these things up. So if you do pick anything up, let me know in the comments below and tell me how you liked them. And again, tell me your favorite products, and I would love to just grow this community and, I don't know, help each other out during this time of our lives. And I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.